I'm back and I have squishies in my thought. Yes. That's my mother squishing on me. It's ASMR here. Yes, because usually it's number 1 because I made my own. Second is dirt. Oh gosh, just got fire. So this is my friend. So there's some more here. It's no rice. Look. Look at this. I don't know. Yeah. Oh my god. So guys, it's very slow rise. And this one my friend gave me. It's all of these is so squishy. And it's more. I have like dry stuff and this one that I just got here, but it was so squishy. One here. Very squishy. Very and the back. And I have this. I don't know how it got cut by its own.
So it is who is this? Carol. This Carol
Oh.
maybe Maina is the one who created that class.
And there's this green one.
So what do you agree? If Carol Maina, so Carol, are you taking the
This is this one. Shake, the pop.
and those maybe who have
And it's like and both of them here.
Carol has put up. Carol, you want to say something?
It was cut. This two. It was so big. I don't know where to put it. But look, guys. So let me show you how many stuff I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do tomorrow. 5. And so now, especially just. So I just wanna tell this all the stuff I have, and just go check out my friend on YouTube. Nasun Gado, which is like Natal Gado, and Shannon Ade. It's like BTS Pace Shannon. And this is it. And bye, Zoila.